walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hello, so you guys can see by the title below. Yes, honey, this is going to be one of my highly requested videos, and that is my case collection. You guys have been asking me since my last case collection to do yet another case collection, because y'all know, if y'all follow me on Snapchat, or if y'all been following your girl for a while, y'all know I am the queen of cases. You know it, I know it, everyone else that follows me know it. I like wearing cases I know people don't have, honey. I literally have 2 iPhone 11 Pro Maxes, and I have to keep my case game up, okay? Up to par. You guys know I have been collecting phone cases for years now. I'm obsessed with cases just like other people may be obsessed with makeup and purses and shoes and bags and stuff like that. Your girl is obsessed with all that stuff too, y'all. But phone cases is where it's at, you guys. I'm obsessed with cute phone cases. You guys have been asking me to sell phone cases since my last little phone case sale, you guys. Of course, you don't have to purchase them from me. Let me put that out there. Put the disclaimer out there, because I sell out either way. So if you don't purchase from me, it's all good. It's all love, honey, okay? You're not required to buy anything from me, because my real true supporters, they purchase from me anytime I do want to go ahead and drop a little phone sale on y'all real quickly, honey, okay? Of course, I'm sure there's several boutiques online. Excuse me, you guys, get over code online, on Instagram, on different sites who sell them. To each his own, but you know, to my real supporters, if y'all fuck with your girl, go ahead and DM me if you guys see any of these phone cases that I say I sell personally. Please do not get the cases confused. I will let you guys know in the video which cases I sell and what cases I don't sell. I will be having a sale. All phone cases are $40, and you buy one and get one half off. That is a sale if you watch this video and you come into my DM. I do accept Cash App and PayPal only. Please be 18 years or older to purchase anything from me. And I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you are interested in purchasing any of these phone cases that I show you guys, that I sell myself personally, go ahead and hit your girl up on Instagram. I get sold out so quick, you guys. Most of the times, the iPhones that I sell for are going to be, of course, the newest ones, like the 11s, the 11 Pros, and the 11 Pro Max. But don't be alarmed, you guys, okay? You can also get them if you have like a 6, 6S, 6 Plus, 7 Plus, 7, a 7, a 8, 8 Plus, XXR. I do have these cases for those as well. If you're seeing this video late, like a day late or a week later, I'm sure I'm sold out, you guys. I only get so many and then I'm sold out. I do not sell phone cases for a living. This is something I've been doing since y'all been asking me to, you know, go ahead and sell a few. So for all the ones who get phone cases from me, y'all be tagging me on y'all little Instagram story. I be fucking with y'all. Y'all know I fucks with y'all. And any of you guys do purchase any of these phone cases, definitely don't forget to take a selfie with them and tag me, and I can put you guys in my Instagram story, okay? Also, I do have a giveaway going on right now. If you guys haven't seen the kids, what they got for Christmas 2019 video, it will be linked down in the description below. I am doing a $500, okay, giveaway. 5 people win $100 each. That giveaway is going on until January the 12th, honey, okay? So if you guys have not seen that video, go check it out. Go into the giveaway. Follow the rules, and that's pretty much it. So that's enough rambling. That's enough info. Yeah. Let's just get right into this case collection video, okay? I'll start off with the first case that's on my phone. Actually, this is too bright. Let me darken it so you guys can really see the colors of the phone cases. I start to darken the lighting so you guys can really see the true colors of the phone cases. So I'm going to start off with the ones that I sell first. So as you guys can see, this is the neon green. Sometimes it look yellow and sometimes it look more greenish depending on the lighting. This is the case I have on my phone right now. I've been wearing this case now for about a week. And if you haven't seen my what was on my iPhone video, it will be linked down below. I had this case on in that video, and a lot of you guys asking me where I got it from, and this is one of the phone cases that I do sell. Like I said, it is on sale. Buy one for 40, get the next one half off. So yeah, it's super, super cute. I absolutely love it. What I have is this white one. It's super, super cute. I love this one. It looks really, really good on my phone because I have the gold phone, and it really pops and stand out because as you can see the gold right here. So when you put this on there, it just looks really, really good. So this is how it looks, how the front of it looks, just in case you guys wanted to see how the front of the phone case looks. They all pretty much look the same. Here is the original print. This was one of my favorites. This was like the original one, sold out so quickly on these right here. I love this one because it has like the black print at the top with the lock. I just think this one is very classy, very unique, and I just love it. You guys know on Louis Vuitton website, they're like $1,400, $1,500. Some of them go up more than that. But I mean, you get the same look for way cheaper. So that's that one. And like I said, they all look the same in the front. This one right here is one of my favorites. Kalia have this one. She loves this color. It's like a real vibrant neon turquoise blue color. It's super, super cute at night. And I love this phone case. The golds with the black just makes this phone case pop. So I really, really do love that one. And then the next one right here, I also sell this one. This one is like the card case. You can put your debit cards in here, your credit cards, a little cash if you want. It looks like this. So that one is one that I sell as well. All of these are ones that I sell. This one right here was one of my favorite sellers. I actually have like so many of these right here. So when I sold cases the last time, these sold out so freaking quickly. Like I said, I do have them available for all iPhones pretty much. Sometimes the 6 sell out fast because it's an older phone. I don't really get that many 6 cases or 6S cases, so they sell out really quickly. But I do have these as well. All you have to do is screenshot the case you want and send it to me on your DM and be ready to purchase. So like if you want this phone case right here, just screenshot it while I'm filming. Send me the DM with the case you want. Tell me what phone you have, and that's all I need. This is the red one. Super, super cute. I sell this one, and I also have a different style of a red one. These are completely different. This one is more of a vibrant red. This is more of like a darker red. As you can see, this one has Supreme on it and this one doesn't. Just so you guys can see, like if you can tell the difference when you want to get your phone case. This one right here is actually one of my favorites. It is this baby pink Louis Vuitton case. This was one of my favorites. When I first got all of my cases in, this is the one I wore all the time. I think it's so cute. It's classy. It's girly. It's just real cute, okay? So that is one that I sell. Now this one here is more pricey. It looks just like this. Okay, it comes with a chain. You can wear it as a crossbody. You can wear it around your neck. You can wear it on your shoulder like a purse. It's a lot extra, you guys. So look, this one is a little extra. Open it up. It looks like this. You have a place to put all your cards and stuff in. This is a wallet case, you guys. Looks just like that. You put your phone in it. You can close it up. I'm actually out of stock on these. I posted this one on my Snapchat one night and I sold out within 2 hours. So these are just pre-order right here. If you want to order this one, I can only pre-order this one for you. And then like I said, you have a slot right there to put your money and stuff in, like right here and also down there. And this is how the back looks. Just like that. Yeah, like I said, this one is definitely extra. If you're interested in purchasing this one, just DM me, screenshot, and say you want the wallet case. And like I said, I can definitely pre-order this for you because I'm sold out. I do not have any more of those. Right here is the Fendi case. It's like a mirrored back, and it comes with the chain, as you can see right here. So I have that one as well. And then I think this is the last one. This is one that I sell as well. It's just like the red one, but it's white. So those are all the phone cases that I sell. If you're interested in purchasing, just DM me and let me know. These are the ones that I don't sell. I do not remember where I purchased all of these cases from. I can just tell you where I think I got them from. So this case right here just says bitch mode with the button on. I think I got this one on AliExpress, I think. I cannot remember. And then I got this from the same company. It just says shut the fuck up because bitch, like for my haters that be watching me, hello, how you doing? These two right here, you can see it has like the holographic LV. It changed colors. Like it's like purple, yellow, green, blue. As you guys can see, it came with the chain, but I actually took the chain off. It's just clear on the front like so. And then this one right here is like the purple, the blue, the yellows and stuff like that. Underneath, it has a little pinch of yellow, but it's not much you can really see. And it's clear on the sides. You can see the phone on the sides. So yeah, I got this one off, I believe, Etsy. I believe I got it off Etsy. This one right here, I got off Etsy. Etsy ETSY. Super, super cute. It's so girly. It's so blingy. It's so me. So this is how it looks. It has the clear on the sides. Now the phone cases on Etsy can be a little pricey, but girl, look, I'm a sucker for phone cases. Like, I don't be caring how much they cost. Like, this is how the front of it looks, like a basic Chanel bottle phone case. Super cute, super girly. I just love the detail on this. Every time you turn it, it blings. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous, hunty. And then the next one is one of my favorites. This one right here is so cute and girly and blingy. It's like a rose gold type of color. It's clear on the sides. Then it has like the D for like the Dior. It has like the crown down here for Juicy. Like, look how blingy this is. It's a little blurry, but you guys can see it's only blurry because this bitch is blinging. Okay. Case right here is like a spinning case with the dollar sign on it. I think I got this one off Etsy.com as well. It's just clear with the bling dollar sign on it. And I don't know, I thought it was cute. I thought it was different. And I love it. It looks really, really good on my phone. And it has like the bling and stuff on it. Like, look how cute that is. Every time you turn your phone, use your phone, it turns. And it had the bling on it too. I was like, yes, bitch, that's so me. So I had to get that one. And then this one right here is just like a basic phone case. I think I got this from Walmart, I believe. It was like $5. I thought it was super cute. Like with the rose gold little flakes and stuff. When I want to be like a basic bitch or something, I'll throw that on. But rarely. And then this one is another one, sort of like the other one. As you can see, it has like the pink, the blues, the purples, the turquoise, green. Super, super cute. It's just like these right here. And then this case right here, I think I got this from Target. This one was a little pricey, you guys. I think this one was like $40. Super cute, but it's so basic. For $40, you can get a cute one, okay? So this is how it looks. And a lot of people always ask me, does this mess up my phone? It has not done anything to my phone yet. So it's just like this pink rose gold looking glitter. So that's pretty much how it looks. Just like that. Really, really cute on the phone when you wear it. It's just really cute. This one right here I got from Target. I don't even know why I got it. It's not all that cute. I thought it was cute in the store. I wore it like 2 or 3 times. That's pretty much it. But this is how it looks. Just I don't even know, like a orangey, brownish looking color with black. I think this case was like $25. This is how it looks at the front. I mean, it's cute on my phone. It's just too basic for my liking, but I bought it. This one right here is a case. I think I got this from Etsy.com or I don't even remember. I don't even remember where I got this from. It's cute. It's okay. It's not doing too much. It's just cute. Whatever. This is how it looks at the front. It's black. I like cases at the front that has like the bling on it like them. Not much, just the basic on the front. I like it to be cute on the front and the back. I mean, but it's cute or whatever. Like, it's cute. I mean, I think these my last two. Yes, these are my last two. If you guys remember back when I did like my 7 plus, 8 plus, 10, 10 max, whatever, you guys know it's a must. I get my phone case. It just says, fuck boy, a spray a day keeps the fuck boys away, hunty. And this is like, hello, it's super cute. I thought it was so dope. And I've had this phone case in literally every phone case collection I've had since I've been on YouTube. And I thought it was super cute with the little spray bottle. And then you got like the cute little bling right there. As y'all can see, it looks really, really good on my phone. Every time I go somewhere, this is definitely like a conversation piece. Like, where did I get it from? And I believe, y'all don't have me lying, I be ordering phone cases. I can't remember where I got all these phone cases from, but this one was so cute, so I had to get this one. And then my last one is this one right here. It just says, yeah, a spray a day keeps the bitches away. Super, super cute. It has like the glitter, just like that. And I'm sure both of these came from the same seller. I just don't even remember where I got it from. But I'm sure if you want to find it, you can just, I don't know. I don't even know what I typed in to find these, but super, super cute. So that's pretty much all of the cases that I have right now for my case collection. Like I said, I do have another case collection for my 11 Pro Max. I will link that one down in the description below. And like I said, if you haven't seen my what's on my iPhone, I will link that down as well. So yeah, this is pretty much all the cases I have right now for my updated case collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed my case collection. If you guys did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Also, like I said, if you want to DM me and get your phone case, honey, get 1/2 off. Don't forget to let me know. I will sell out real quickly by the time this video is up. I promise you guys, within like a day or two, I will be sold out. So if you see this video and you're interested, girl, don't hesitate. Come shop with your girl, okay? And I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, go watch the kids what they got for Christmas 2019 video. It is a giveaway going on in that video as well. And I think that's pretty much it. If I did say Happy New Year to you guys, Happy New Year. Y'all know I fucks with y'all. I love y'all so much. Hope you guys have an amazing 2020 because, girl, 2020 about to be lit. Okay? I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on to be notified anytime I post another video. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat seeing all these cases first. I told y'all, follow me on Snapchat. They always get first dibs on everything. And I love you guys so much. Until the next video, you guys. Bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.